Hello everyone, I am about to steal 4 minutes of your time and I hope you won't be invited. I have a talent for finding extensions, tutorials, and other utilities that help me to streamline my work. Today I go to share with you one of my favorite tools for make code for CSS and HTML. This one is an extension for word processors called Emmet. This tutorial is divided into parts. The first one, where I go to show you where find the menu for install extensions, and the second part where we go to make the skeleton for this. I hope so this take me less than 3 minutes, but don't worry, I go to do it in double speed for you. So let's go. Opening Sublime Text. In the screen, I go to put the shortcuts for open the menu for PC and for Mac. We are searching for package control and install package. Click search for Emmet. We select this one, and if we get this message, it's done. On this page, you can find the abbreviations used by Emmet. Well, it's time to work twice as fast. As example has a container with a H1 title and 15 cards with image and lorem ipsum text, all with classes and IDs with link to style sheet. I go to put a chronometer in the screen for you can see how much time this can take. The skeleton of our page is finished. Here we can see the result. Now we have to work on the styles. And I hope that this will help you in your projects. Oh, I spent less time than I thought, so thank you.